Hello driving intelligence community. Behind me you'll see my favorite and beautiful F150 Harley Davidson with a supercharged engine. It's an 02 version. And the reason I'm showing this today is because it has a feature that I do not have on my other F150 that I really like, and it provides a lot of flexibility and usability. Let me show you what it is. What you see behind me is the bed extender. This came stock on this vehicle when I bought it in 2002, right off the showroom floor. I want to put one of these on the other F150. The problem is it doesn't have the mounting bolts, and I didn't have a bed extender. Recently I came upon one for low cost, zero, and all I had to do was find the hardware. So I went to a local pick and pull yard, found an F150 with the mounting hardware, and today I'm going to install the one I found. So I've got the new bed extender in place. It's not new, and actually it was damaged. I'm in the process of repairing it. This is one of the straps on those aluminum tubes. This one was broken, and I've actually welded in a piece of metal to give it some structural rigidity. I'm going to clean that up, sand it, and then paint it. But I'm going to install it on the vehicle, and you can see that, well, you can't see from this perspective, but I don't have the mounting bolts that this thing will sit on and the locking holes. So that's what I'm going to do today. Here you see a close-up of the mounting hardware that I need to install. I'm going to have to drill 3 holes on each side. And this mount, since there's no threading in this material on the other F-150, I'm going to use nut certs for that. But I've got these push-in bushings that this penetrates into to keep the bed extender in place. Using my other F-150, I measured where I want to center punch. I'm going to center punch right here on each side, and I'll drill first those holes, put the nut cert in, and then I will put the other holes in that are the holes that stabilize or hold the bed extender in place. Perfectly drilled hole for the nut cert. I'm going to put a little bit of Rust-Oleum paint on there to keep it from rusting. So my first nut cert is in, and I have to say I love the nut cert. Now I can install the attachment point, and I'll be able to get the next side done, and I'll have the cage installed, and then I'll have to drill the other holes for the locking pins. Perfectly done. Gotta say I like it. Bed extender installed. Now, does what it's supposed to do. Supposed to flip in there. Got a few more repairs to do on this thing, but otherwise, close to being completed. Thanks for watching.